trying to figure this out first.
Ben!
What, hold on. Stop, I'm trying to do this.
Oh shit, you have dangerous shark things.
Dangerous.
Dangerous.
My middle name is Nanger.
Stop. Stop. Want to see a little bit of skin? Nope.
Let's see a little bit of dick. Yeah. Not gonna work. I might as well just take this off before you close your eyes, Beryl. This is inappropriate for you to see. Seeing a man like me with my shirt off is just not. It's too much for my head.
Sweet.
These things are puny. You can have it. I'll take the one at home. Maybe I'll keep.
See if I can have Panic at the Disco here.
Ben's naked.
Uh-uh!
No, can't.
Superman, Superman. Do I have nice songings?
Fuck you.
Me?
Fuck you.
Why do you say fuck you?
Stop it. Seriously. Stop filming me. It's not funny. Stop it. Ben, tell her to stop.
Beryl, you might as well stop. He's not gonna give up.
What?
I don't know! I thought it made sense. And look, I'm putting on my superhero costume, and then I'm gonna come out and be famous.
Ha ha! Hey, look, Ben's anorexic.
Dude, you can see my ribs like normal. It's kind of creepy. Like, look.
You can't see from here.
I was trying to show Gideon. I want to show off my amazing body. Oh, dude, look.
Made by
Here, I'll see if you can see it in the light. Dude, come here. This is ridiculous.
That's disgusting.
Dude, you can see the ribs like full.
Can't even do that with me.
Feel it.
No.
Dude, feel it.
Ew! Ew, Ben!
Where?
Look!
You're not sucking in?
No.
Hmm.
Time for me to get off them.
That's disgusting.